Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enter prank mode on your headphones Skullcandy Push Ultra. To enter prank mode, just remove your headphones from the charging case and it should enter to prank mode automatically. That was said in instruction, but I don't know, my headphones don't want to enter into prank mode automatically, so just press and hold on left one or right one earbud for at least 3 seconds. Maybe again. And as you can see, this light is blinking and we can see the headphones on the list. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!